Hi students, this is Chanchal Sarkar. Today is the fourth day. Okay, so we will learn more about fundamental concepts of algebra. Okay, so now see question number 1. Question number 1 is, if x equals to 4, find the value of each of the following. Number 1, 5x. Number 2, x minus 5. Number 3, 1 by 2 into x plus 3. So, we find the equation's value. Okay. So, number 1, 5x. 5x. So, 5x. When x equals to 4, then we find 5x what? Okay, so 5 into 4. 5 into 4, answer is 20. Okay, when x equals to 4, 5x, 5 into 4, answer is 20. Next, number 2, x minus 5. X minus 5. So x is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. So minus 1. Got it? Next, number 3. 1 by 2 x plus 3. 1 by 2 into x plus 3. So 1 by 2 into x. X are 4 plus 3. So 2 cross multiplication, 2 to 4. 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 3. Here 2 into 1, 2 plus 3. So answer is 5. Okay. Answer is 5. Now see question number 2. If a equals to minus 2, find the values of the following polynomials. Roman 1, 2a plus 4. Roman 2, 7 minus 3a. Roman 3, 4 minus a square. Okay. So when a equal minus 2, when a equal minus 2, 2a plus 4. What? Okay. So 2a plus 4. So 2 into minus 2. 2 into a value is minus 2 equal plus 4. Okay. So 2 into minus 2. So plus minus. Now here nothing sign. So plus. We think plus. Here plus. So plus minus minus. Plus minus minus. 2 to 4. So minus 4. Plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Answer is 0. Now number 2. 7 minus 3a. 7 minus 3a. 7 minus 3a. 7 minus 3 into a means minus 2. So 7 minus minus here is minus. Here also minus. So minus minus plus. Multiplication rule is minus minus plus. So here minus minus plus. And 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. Roman 3. 4 minus a square. So 4 minus a square. So here 4 minus a. A means minus 2 whole square. That is power 2. So 4 minus 2 whole square. Means minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus minus plus 2 to 4. That is answer is plus 4. So plus 4. So plus 4 plus minus minus. So 4 minus 4. Answer is 0. Okay. Now question number 3. If p equal 5, find the value of following polynomials. So number 1 plus p plus p square. Okay. So when p equal 5, then number 1 plus p square. Okay. So 1 plus p means 5 plus 5 whole square. Okay. So 1 plus 5 here. 5 square means 5 into 5. Like a square. A square means a into a. So 5 square what? 5 into 5. 25. So answer is here 25. 25 plus 5. 30. 31. 31. Next. Number 2. 5p square minus 8p. 5p square minus 8p. So 5 into 5 whole square minus 8 into 5. Okay. So 5 into 5 square means 25 minus 8 into 5. So 5 into 25. 100. 5 into 25 is 125 minus 5 into 8, 40 minus. So 5 here, 4, 85. 85 is answer. Okay. Next, number 3. PQ minus 4p square plus p. Okay. So PQ, p means 5 minus 4 into 5 p square means 5 square plus 5. 5 cube means 125 minus 4 into 5 square means 25 plus 5. So here 125 minus 4 into 25 means 100 plus 5. So 125 plus 5. So addition first. 125 plus 5. We can find addition first. 125 plus 5. 130 minus 100. Okay. 130 minus 100. My answer is 30. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Now see. Question number 4. Find the value of 5x square minus 3x plus 7 when 1 is x equals to 0, 2 is x equal minus 4, 3 is x equal 1 by 2. Okay. So number 1, when x equals to 0, then therefore 5x square minus 3x plus 7 equals to 5 into x square. X means 0, 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 7. 0 square. 0 square means 0. 5 into 0 minus 3 into 0. 0 0 3 0 plus 7. 5 into 5 0 0 0 0 minus 0 plus 7. So answer is 7. Okay. Number 2. When x equal minus 4, then when x equals to minus 4, then 5x square minus 3x plus 7. 5 into x square minus 4 whole square minus 4 whole square minus 3 into x square minus 4 plus 7. So 5 into minus 4 whole square. So 16 minus plus here minus plus 3 into 4 12 plus 7 5 into 16 5 10 50 5 6 30 50 plus 30 80 plus 12 plus 7 80 plus 12 plus 7 what 80 plus 12 92 80 plus 12 92 92 plus 7 99. Okay, next number 3. When x equal half, then 5x square minus 3x plus 7 equals to 5 into x square. X square here 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, minus 3 into 1 by 2. X means 1 by 2 plus 7. So 5 into 1 by 2. 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4. And 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 7. So 5 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 means 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 7. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 7. LCM. LCM here 4 2 2 4 LCM 2 4. So 2 1 2 2 4. So 2 2 4. So 4 here LCM. So 4 divide 4 1 5 into 1 5 minus 2 4 divide 2 2 into 3 6 plus 4 nothing here denominator. So 4 divide 1 so 4. Okay, so 4 divide 1 4 into 7 28 plus 5 33 by 6 by 4. So 33 minus 6 what 33 minus 6 27 by 4. So 27 by 4 in mixed fraction we can write 4 6 24 4 7 4 6 24 4 7 28. So 4 6 24 remaining 3. So 6 and 3/4. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so in the next day, day 5, we will learn more sums on fundamental concepts of algebra. Okay, so bye.